Hello friends, today let's talk about 7 amazing foods that help in boosting children's brain health. These foods are packed with nutrients that support brain development, improve memory, and help kids stay active and focused throughout the day. Fish. Fish is considered a superfood for the brain. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA and EPA, which are essential for brain development. These nutrients help keep brain cells strong and healthy. If you want to add fish to your child's diet, go for soft fish like tuna, salmon, or rohu. Berries. Fruits like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants. These help protect brain cells from damage and improve brain function. Berries are also rich in vitamin C and vitamin K, which help in improving memory. The best way to give berries to kids is by adding them to milkshakes or smoothies. You can also mix them with oatmeal or yogurt for a tasty and healthy treat. Eggs. Eggs are packed with protein, vitamin B6, B12 and choline, all of which help keep the brain active and sharp. Choline is a special nutrient that helps in the formation of new brain cells and improves memory. If your child struggles with focus, make sure they eat an egg every day. You can serve eggs in different ways, such as boiled as an omelette or lightly fried. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is not just delicious, it is also great for brain health. It contains healthy fats, vitamin E and folate, which keep brain cells healthy and support their growth. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects the brain from damage and improves memory. You can give peanut butter to kids by spreading it on whole wheat bread, mixing it in smoothies, or serving it with fruits like apples and bananas. Beans. Beans such as kidney beans, chickpeas and mung beans are excellent for brain health. They are rich in protein, fiber, iron and zinc, which help keep the brain sharp and active. Beans provide slow-releasing energy that keeps children alert and focused throughout the day. You can add beans to soup, salad or paratha fillings. Dishes like rajma chal or chole chal are also great options. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, quinoa and multigrain bread are highly beneficial for kids. They contain fiber, vitamin B, iron and glucose, which provides steady energy to the brain. Glucose is the brain's main source of fuel and helps improve concentration and thinking skills. You can include whole grains in your child's diet by making porridge, multigrain sandwiches, brown rice pulao, or oats parathas. Colorful vegetables. Vegetables like carrots, spinach, bell peppers, tomatoes, and broccoli are essential for brain health. They are rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamin A, C, K, and iron, which support brain growth. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which improves memory. Spinach and broccoli are packed with iron and folate, which keep brain cells active and enhance focus. To make these vegetables more appealing, you can add them to soup, sandwich or parathas. These 7 superfoods play a vital role in brain development and overall health. If you found this information helpful, share it with your family and friends. Also, let us know in the comments which of these foods your child enjoys the most.